Good day, ma'am. And today, I'm going to be talking about power amplifiers. Power amplifiers are like the muscle behind many electronic gadgets, from speakers to phones. They take a weak signal and make it strong enough to drive big things like speakers or antennas. Knowing the different types of power amps is key for engineers to pick the right one for their job, whether they care more about saving power, keeping the sound clear, or just making things work well. In this presentation, we will explore the various classes of power amplifiers, including their operation, degree of conduction, distortion, and efficiency. This knowledge will provide a solid foundation for selecting the right power amplifier for your needs. Whether you're designing an audio system, a radio transmitter, or other electronic device that requires high power signal. Classes of power amplifiers. Power amplifiers come in several distinct classes, each with its own unique characteristics and trade offs. Understanding these different classes is essential for engineers and designers to select the appropriate amplifier for their specific application, whether it's maximizing efficiency, minimizing distortion, or optimizing overall performance. Class A. Class A amplifiers operate with the output transistors conducting for entire input cycle, resulting in high linearity and low distortion. However, this comes at the cost of low efficiency, typically around 25 to 30 to 50%. Class B. In contrast, Class B amplifiers have the output transistors conducting for only half of the input cycle, with one transistor handling the positive half and the other handling the negative half. The results in higher efficiency, around 78%, but also higher distortion levels. Class AB. Class AB amplifiers aim to combine the benefits of Class A and Class B by having the output transistors conduct for more than half but less than the full input cycle. This provides a balance between efficiency, around 50 to 78%, and distortion performance. Class C. Class C amplifiers have the output transistors conducting for less than half of the input cycle, resulting in very high efficiency, up to 90%, but also high levels of distortion. These amplifiers are often used in radio frequency applications where the distortion can be more easily filtered out. Class D. Class D amplifiers are a more modern approach that uses pulse width modulation or PWM to switch the output transistors on and off rapidly rather than operating them in their linear region. This results in very high efficiency around 90%, but also requires more complex circuit. Class A amplifiers. Class A power amplifiers are like the gold standard for making it sound louder without messing it up. They're super straightforward. They keep the output transistors turned on all the time, which means they're always sending electricity to your speakers. This constant flow of electricity helps keep the sound pure and clear, making them perfect for top notch audio setups where you want the best sound quality possible. In a Class A amplifier, the output transistors are always doing their job smoothly, without any breaks. This ensures that the sound coming out of the amplifier stays true to the original without any distortion. However, because they're constantly working, they use up a lot of power even when the sound is quiet, which isn't very efficient. Despite their relatively low efficiency, Class A amplifiers are still widely used in high-end audio equipment, such as premium headphone amplifiers and preamplifiers, where their superior linearity and low distortion are highly valued. The trade-off between efficiency and performance is an important consideration when selecting the appropriate power amplifier topology for a given application. Class B power amplifiers. Unlike Class A amplifiers that are always on, Class B amplifiers work on shifts. One transistor handles the positive part of the sound wave, while the other takes care of the negative part. This tag team approach helps save power because the transistors only work when they need to, making them way more efficient, around 78% efficient to be exact. Class B amplifiers are all about saving power, which is great, but they can sometimes mess with the sound quality because of a thing called crossover distortion, which happens when the transistors switch on and off. To fix this, engineers made Class AB amplifiers which still save power but also keep the sounding good by having the transistors work a bit more than in Class B, but not as much in Class A. Even though Class B amplifiers might not sound as good as Class A, they're still used a lot because they save a ton of power. You'll find them in all sorts of things like speakers, radio transmitters, and even motor controllers. Engineers can tweak them to find a good balance between saving power and keeping the sound quality decent. Class AB amplifiers. Class AB power amplifiers represent a compromise between the high efficiency of Class B designs and the superior linearity of Class A amplifiers. In Class AB amplifier, the output transistors are biased to conduct for more than half but less than the full input signal cycle. This allows them to operate in their linear region for a larger proportion of the waveform, reducing the crossover distortion inherent in pure Class B designs. The key benefit of Class AB amplifiers is that they achieve a higher efficiency, typically in the range of 50 to 78%, compared to the 25 to 50% efficiency of Class A. This is accomplished by reducing the power dissipation in the output transistors, as they are not conducting for the full input cycle. At the same time, the extended conduction period results in lower distortion levels than pure Class B amplifiers, making them a popular choice for high fidelity audio applications where both efficiency and sound quality are important considerations. Class AB amplifiers are widely used in a variety of applications, including audio power amplifiers, radio frequency transmitters, and industrial motor drives. By carefully balancing the biasing and output stage design, engineers can optimize the trade off between efficiency, distortion, and overall performance to meet the specific requirements of the target application. Class C power amplifiers. Class C power amplifiers represent a unique and highly efficient approach to signal amplification with a trade-off in terms of increased distortion, unlike the continuous conduction of Class A amplifiers or the half-cycle conduction of Class B. Since Class C amplifiers are designed to have the output transistors conduct for less than of the input signal cycle. This continuous and limited conduction period allows Class C amplifiers to achieve exceptionally high levels of efficiency, up to 90%, making them a popular choice for radio frequency applications where power efficiency is paramount. However, this high efficiency comes at the cost of increased distortion, as the output transistors are driven deep into saturation and cutoff regions, resulting in significant nonlinearity in the amplification process. Despite the higher distortion levels, Class C amplifiers are widely used in RF transmitters, oscillators, and other applications where the distortion can be more easily filtered out, where it is less critical to the overall system performance. Engineers carefully design the biasing and output stage of Class C amplifiers to balance the trade-offs between efficiency, distortion, and the specific requirements of the target application. Class D power amplifiers. Class D power amplifiers represent a modern and highly efficient approach to signal amplification, leveraging the power of digital switching technology. Unlike the analog operation of previous amplifier classes, Class D amplifiers employ pulse width modulation or PWM to rapidly switch the output transistors between fully on and fully off states, rather than operating them in their linear region. This switching approach allows Class D amplifiers to achieve exceptionally high power efficiency, typically in the range of 90% or higher. By completely eliminating the power dissipation associated with the output transistors operating in their linear region, Class D designs are able to deliver significant power to the load while minimizing waste heat. This makes them an ideal choice for applications where power efficiency and thermal management are critical, such as in portable audio systems, high power audio amplifiers, and motor control circuits. However, the high-speed switching of Class D amplifiers also introduces additional design challenges. The rapid on and off transitions of the output transistors generate significant switching noise and harmonics, which must be carefully filtered to prevent interference with other electronic components. Additionally, the complex digital control circuitry required for the PWM modulation adds to the overall system complexity and cost. Despite these challenges, Class D amplifiers have become increasingly prevalent in modern power electronics, offering an unparalleled balance of efficiency, power, and performance. Applications and considerations for power amplifier selection. For high fidelity audio systems, where sound quality is paramount, Class A and Class B amplifiers are often the preferred choices due to their exceptional linearity and low distortion characteristics. The trade-off of lower efficiency is typically acceptable in these applications, as the emphasis is on pristine audio reproduction rather than power conservation. In contrast, applications that demand maximum power efficiency, such as portable electronics, electric vehicles, and industrial motor drives, often lean towards Class D amplifiers. The extremely high efficiency of Class D, reaching up to 90%, allows for significant power delivery while minimizing heat dissipation and battery drain. However, the additional complexity of the digital control circuitry and the need for careful filtering or switching noise must be carefully addressed. For radio frequency and communication systems, Class C amplifiers can be attractive option due to their high efficiency, up to 90%. Despite the increased levels of distortion, the distortion in these applications is often more easily filtered out, making Class C a viable choice where power efficiency is the primary concern. Ultimately, the selection of the appropriate power amplifier is a multifaceted decision that requires a deep understanding of the application's requirements, performance, constraints, and design trade offs. By carefully evaluating factors such as efficiency, linearity, distortion, and power output, engineers can select the power amplifier topology that best suits. Thank you for listening, ma'am. That is all for my presentation, and good day.